Hi guys, I am KARTHIK. Welcome to today's video. Imagine a single Indian state with an economy larger than that of an entire country like Pakistan. A state that is racing towards trillion economy by the end of this decade. Yes, we are talking about Tamil Nadu, one of India's most industrialized, educated and economically diverse states. In this video, we will explore Tamil Nadu's economic vision, the current status of its economy, its strengths across sectors, the recent growth performance, and most importantly, the strategic steps taken by the government to make the trillion economy goal by 2030 a reality. So let's dive in. So as of the previous financial year 2024-2025, Tamil Nadu's gross state domestic product stands at approximately 17.23 lakh crore, which is around 329 billion US dollar. This places Tamil Nadu as the second richest state in India after Maharashtra. Also, the state recorded a robust real GDP growth rate of 9.69% this year, significantly higher than the national average. With this, Tamil Nadu has officially surpassed the GDP of Pakistan. This remarkable performance is not sudden. Tamil Nadu's economy has been built steadily over decades through industrialization, urbanization, human capital development and policy consistency. So now coming into the main point, Tamil Nadu has set a bold and clear goal to become a trillion economy by 2030. To achieve this, the state's economy must triple in size within 6 years. That recovers an annual growth rate of 12 to 13%, which is higher than the current rate and will need significant efforts across sectors. This target is not just a number, it is a vision that involves creating high quality jobs, increasing exports, modernizing infrastructures, upskilling the youth, and transitioning to a greener, more inclusive economy. Also, if we see the sectoral contribution of Tamil Nadu's GDP, Tamil Nadu's economy is strong because it is diversified. The service sector contributes over 50% to state's GDP. This includes IT, education, healthcare, financial services and tourism. Also, the manufacturing sector contributes around 30%, making Tamil Nadu a leader in automobiles, electronics, garments, leathers and defense. And finally, the agriculture sector, while smaller in share, remains crucial for food security and rural employment. It contributes around 12 to 13% with strengths in rice, sugarcane, bananas, millets, dairy, etc. This balance ensures that no single sector dominates and that the risk is spread across the multiple drivers of growth. So now coming into the latest economic survey of Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu's performance across sectors was notable. The services sector saw a strong growth, especially in professional services and telecom, which grew over 13%. Also, the manufacturing sector maintained steady momentum driven with electronics, auto components and textiles. Also, construction grew by 10.6%, supported by urban infrastructure projects, while crop output fell due to erratic weather. At the same time, the livestock sector grew by 3.8%. Overall, the growth was broad-based and employment generation was visible across urban and rural areas. At the same time, to achieve this trillion-dollar target, Tamil Nadu government has launched several focused strategies across 12 areas. So let us look at the most important ones. First one was industrial corridors and new clusters. The state is investing in new industrial parks in 20 plus districts. Major corridors like Chennai-Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor and the Tamil Nadu Defence Industrial Corridor are being developed to boost manufacturing and exports. Second one was Global Investors Meet 2024. So in January 2024, Tamil Nadu government has organized this Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet. In this, Tamil Nadu attracted investment commitments worth 6.64 lakh crores across 631 projects. These are expected to create over 26 lakh jobs in sectors like electronics, green energy, logistics and chemicals. So next, the third one was EV and electronics policies. Tamil Nadu aims to become India's EV hub with giants like Foxconn, Pegatron and Tata Electronics investing in the state. Tamil Nadu is moving towards leadership in EVs, semiconductors and mobile phone assembly. Next, the fourth one is green energy leadership. The state already leads in wind and solar energy with over 20 gigawatt capacity. It is now focusing on green hydrogen, offshore wind projects and energy storage to power its industries cleanly. Next, the fifth one is skilling and human capital. For achieving this trillion-dollar economy, Tamil Nadu should create a lakhs and lakhs of skilled workforce. For this, Tamil Nadu government has taken many initiatives. For example, non-Mudalvan scheme. Tamil Nadu is skilling lakhs of youth in AI, automation, robotics, data science and more. Over 25 lakh students have already benefited from this program. Such as the skilling and human capital will be a key to achieve this trillion economic goal by Tamil Nadu. Next, the sixth one is agriculture and rural development. So under a 1,000 crore plan, every village is getting support for integrated farming, irrigation and market access. Additionally, women's self-help groups have received over 1.05 lakh crore in credit to boost rural entrepreneurship. Next, the seventh one is infrastructure projects. The Chennai Metro Phase 2 project, the upcoming Parandur Greenfield Airport, smart cities, highways and ports are being fast-tracked to support industrial expansion. Next, the eighth one is export promotion and ease of doing business. So along with this trillion-dollar economy, Tamil Nadu aims to grow its exports to $300 billion by 2030. So for this, Tamil Nadu has taken many initiatives such as export zones, plug-and-play industrial units and a single window clearance systems are helping make the state more investor-friendly. While the plan is impressive, there are some challenges. Climate change is affecting agriculture, rapid automation may reduce jobs in traditional manufacturing, infrastructure needs constant upgrades and global economic slowdowns can impact exports. However, Tamil Nadu has several advantages: a large skilled workforce, world-class academic institutions, strong governance and policy continuity, a growing middle class, a supportive ecosystem for business and innovation. If the strengths are sustained and the challenges are addressed with vision, Tamil Nadu is well positioned to achieve this target. In conclusion, Tamil Nadu's trillion economy dream is bold but not impossible. With strong policy support, rapid industrialization, a skilled workforce and growing global investment, the state is preparing to lead India's next phase of growth. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, investor or policymaker, Tamil Nadu's journey offers lessons, opportunities and inspiration for the rest of India. Let us know in the comments, do you think Tamil Nadu will reach its trillion-dollar economic goal by 2030? If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.